Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Sayeda Sunayna Zaman Niha. I'm a student of batch HEXA'S 19323. I recently got my IELTS course and I got an overall 8, alhamdulillah. My individual scores are listening 7.5, reading 9, speaking 7.5 and a 7 in writing. I'm a student of Fabiha ma'am and Nahida ma'am's class. My teachers were very friendly and they had a lot of knowledge and information about IELTS. They were not just regular teachers, but they were amazing IELTS guides. They were dropping their wisdom and knowledge every now and then, and they were always available. Every time we sent a text, a call, they were there. And an amazing a shout out to this amazing institute, HEXA'S, for creating such an comfortable and a very chill learning environment. So thank you for helping me in my IELTS journey. I'll forever be grateful to this institute and my teachers.